Let's take a look at changing the magnification. We can press M to change the magnification of the current view. This will change the current magnification to the highest setting, either really big or really small. If we press Shift plus M, we activate the Magnify tool. We also see a small set of magnification options appear below the control box. We click the view and we see the changes take effect. Let's press Shift plus M again and click our image to return it to the previous size.
Let's take a look at a few more secrets and time savers in the image editor.
We can move, copy, or edit a portion of an image by pressing the S key. We press S and see the Select tool activated. Let's select half of the image by clicking and dragging a rubber band box around the desired half. Now we see one half of the image selected. As we said earlier, we can move, copy, or edit this portion. We'll move it. We place the pointer in the selected half and move it to the right. We click outside of the image and we see we have two separate halves of our image. If we wanted to type some text, we simply press T. First, let's erase what's on our screen. We press Shift plus P and erase the image. Now we'll press T to display a small text tool dialog box. This is where we enter our text. We'll type test and then click the close button. We see the text on our screen. Let's press T again to display the text tool dialog box. We can change the font, font style, and font size by clicking the font button. We'll click cancel, then click the text tool dialog box's close button. Let's get rid of the grid. We can toggle the image grid by pressing G.
Here are all the time-saving keystrokes we covered in this chapter.
Ctrl plus F5 creates a new bitmap image resource. A activates the airbrush tool. D activates the paintbrush tool. Plus increases brush size by 1 pixel in each direction. Minus decreases brush size by 1 pixel in each direction. P activates the pencil tool. Right bracket changes current drawing color to the next color on the color palette. Left bracket changes current drawing color to the previous color. Comma activates the Select Color tool. Shift plus P activates the Erase tool. E activates the Ellipse tool. F activates the Fill tool. Shift plus E activates the Filled Ellipse tool. Shift plus R activates the Filled Rectangle tool. Shift plus N activates the Filled Round Rectangle tool. L activates the Line tool. X flips image horizontally. Y flips image vertically. Z rotates image or selection 90 degrees. M changes to the highest magnification for the current view. Shift plus M changes magnification for the current view. S activates the Select tool. T activates the Text tool. G toggles image grid on and off. Let's review what we have covered in this chapter. We learned about time-saving keystrokes when using C++'s image editor.
We demonstrated quick ways to access the drawing tools, such as the line, fill, and erase.
Let's close down Visual C++. We open the File menu and choose Exit. Answer No at the Save Changes prompt. Visual C++ shuts down and we are returned to the Windows 95 desktop. We have finished the Programming in Visual C++ Secrets and Timesavers tutorial. Now we can remove the Viagrafix learning folder using the following method. To delete the learning files from the hard drive, right-click the Start button and open the Explorer. Next, highlight the Viagrafix Learning folder, then press and hold down the Shift key as we drag the folder to the recycle bin. We release the mouse, then the Shift key, and our files are deleted. Finally, we'll close the Explorer and we'll return to the Windows 95 desktop. That concludes this video tutorial, Programming in Visual C++, Secrets and Timesavers.
We've covered a lot of information in this tutorial. If you feel the need to review, simply rewind the tape and watch that section again until you are comfortable with the material.
If you have any questions or comments about our video tutorials, there are several ways to contact us. Our worldwide website address is http://www.viagrafix.com. For comments on this video or any other Viagrafix product, email us at admin@viagrafix.com. For sales questions or to place an order, send a message to sales@viagrafix.com. We at Viagrafix would like to thank you for choosing our company for your computer training needs.
Remember, if you plan to learn about Visual C++ or any other computer software, there is no better way than through video training with Viagrafix.